power, man.
Welcome back to another video, everybody. So today we are going to be taking apart our K24Z3. Just did a little inspection on check the cams. We already did look at the cam, the lobe. It doesn't look that great, but just want to double check the whole motor. Still working on the head on the B16. Just a little bit more cutting to do. And then we are also testing some injectors here. I believe these are OEM injectors. Just give them a clean. And then we're also gonna clean ours higher flow injectors and test those as well. Harness is off. Alright, valve cover is off. Just looking here. On the exhaust cam lobe. You call it a pit?
Yeah, probably a pit or whatever they call it. I don't know.
That's the only one we found last time, right?
Yeah.
I don't know, should we take an exhaust cam from the other one?
Yeah, we could take it, but we didn't measure how high it is. See, like, it doesn't really matter because it's just rolling over it. Like, this is like a cast problem. Casting problem, like, it came off. It didn't stick to it. But since it goes over the roller's fine. There's no mark on the roller. It should be fine. Yeah. It'll break. That was it. I think because I heated up and loosened it up.
Alright, we got the timing cover off. The tensioner is off itself. So still a lot more to do. And we're gonna continue on that. Okay, we just pulled the head off on our K24. There it is. And looking at the valve springs, we found a foil. Something you found on the on your oil bottles. Sitting right between the outer wall and between the spring. So someone sucks up horn oil. Alright, the head's all off. I had to charge my phone, so there was no video of that. Head's off. Very dirty. And a bit of rust on the inside. So it's the next day, still fixing the head, still taking apart the K24, and a little update on the SI. Just have to fix a few things on it, and depending on the giveaway, we might still give it away, but maybe it might be sold. It just depends, but we're still thinking.
Didn't glue the ace to it.
So you think we can't push it back?
I don't know. Oh no, this part is the part that we can't do. It's long, huh? You can probably push a little back, but you can't. I don't want to use these because it's gonna make a dimple. With the part right in the middle. A lot of people they push and then they hit this part. But which we just tools you can't do.
At least it's not as bad as before.
I think it's the seal.
Yeah. Yeah. Well,
if we hit that edge, it will be fine.
I just finished cleaning the car. It was a little dirty, but yeah, about the car. If anyone's really interested, my Instagram's gonna be in the description of the video. So just go ahead and DM me something, shoot an offer, and we'll debate on it. You know, if you're serious about it, you know, we don't really want the car to sit because it's just, we don't really drive it here. High theft car, you know. So just let us know. So if you're interested, just a few things. It's an all stock SI, blue, nothing changed. All the VINs match and everything. Stock motor and transmission that came with the car. We did not probably own the car maybe a year. We had it for a year, right? Yeah, we've had it for a year. So yeah.
Yo, I sit far in this car. I sit so close to this car, dude.
Close to the steering wheel?
Yeah. Because the seat's so high.
Oh. Car's no gas.
You got enough. It's weak. You cracked it. You can't hear it, dude. Maybe you put an intake on?
Yeah.
Then you can hear it. Not with the stock.
Shorter than the GSR, right?
Yeah, they're shorter. I think the final drive is shorter. Because the first, second is the same. I think third or fourth is shorter.
What is
the heck this guy do? That never lets you go, dude. The heck, dude?
Stupid.
Just came right through like gave him the right to go. What the freak was that, dude? Whoa, weak, no power. Right there, you hear me take. You can hear from third gear because you know how the way it lags.
The load on the car. Okay, and we're back, and we just got a new part in for the red Civic. It's a Speed Factory filler pot. It attaches to the head, and they give us a little cap here for this. So hopefully that helps with our coolant issue, so it doesn't spill out.
Look at all these ugly cans, dude. For free? Did you machine these?
That's so rough.
It's like they forged these. They didn't machine these. That's weird. That is super weird, dude. Thought they all were machined. Guess not. Break that bolt, dude.
Alright, so the whole engine's torn down. Everything's pretty nice. So these two cylinders, I have a little rust in them, maybe a little water gone on it. But other than that, just letting everything drain. We're gonna clean off this side. Very dirty. All of our stuff. Here's the bottom end, pistons and rods. Cranks on there. There's everything else. So that'll probably be it for today's video. Don't forget on that SI, we were planning on doing a giveaway, but at this point, it's kind of sitting. So if anyone's kind of interested, just DM me. My Instagram's in the description. We're waiting on epoxy on this. We are gonna put epoxy around the cylinders. K-series are known for high horsepower with nothing done on them, but we're gonna throw some rods, pistons, that epoxy to guard, and we'll see how much we can make on the K24Z3. So thank you for watching, and catch you in the next video.